That's going to wind up nice and easy, nice and easy. Alright, we're going one more lap, drivers, one more lap. And we'll go this time off turn 4. On we go, guys. Woo! Green, green, green. Our racing T-Mac, Tim, and Zach. 1, 2, and 3 here. That's the white blue number 4. Zach right there with 18. What a nice move right there on Tim Paris. Zach with a bobble. Tim's going to get back up to that second spot now. T-Mac now in control. About a straightaway lead over Tim Paris. Zach a couple of bobbles the last lap. He almost a lap down right here. Zach getting a little loose coming out of turn 2. A little loose out of turn 4 as well. Punching that throttle. Right now, T-Mac off front, Tim in the 2 spot, Zach in the 3. Zach going to be one lap down to both Tim and Tim. 1 down, 3 to go. Drivers 1 down, 3 to go. This is race 9 of 19. Race 10 up next. 17-5 sprint D-Main. After that, going to be nice. It's going to be our A-Main. Starting our A-Main with Nitro Sprint. Up soon after this next race. No T-Mac. Tim Paris right now. T-Mac, Tim Paris. Tim Paris now taking a lead from T-Mac. That is your power for the lead right there. Yellow bar is Tim Paris. Blue and white T-Mac down in the 2 spot. Oh. Little bubble right there from Zach. Get the bottom fight. Tim Paris still out front right now. We got 2.3 seconds. No pressure. Right now being applied to Tim. That 2 spot. Just got to bring it home. 2 down, 2 to go. That's a couple of laps down now. It's like 3 laps down to second place. That's not getting one of these laps back. Oh no, still on his mid right here. This is good for Zach. Zach trying to match him in the infield. 1:30 left, a lot of time, it could happen. Zach's still trying to keep laps back on Tim. There's now 2 laps up on second spot. 75 speed, sprint team in next. Dylan Sharp, John Kay, Kendra Salazar. And then it's going to be our 2 boxes from the C, Disney. And what we got next? Breckle, Disney from Breckle. You guys are up next, 50 seconds left. Drivers. Keep it smooth, there you go. 75 sprint PA, we got a big race coming up next. 75 sprint PA is going to be a big one. Everyone keep going till cross the line one more time. And wait for Zach to finish, and that is our race right there. Tim and Tim. We're going to be our 2 bumps right there. Zach narrowly missing it. Nice driving, everybody. Tim Paris taking away 4.23 on lap 20. Fast.